Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night wherever you are. This is an amazing video for my returning viewers, and if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you and thank you. Thank you so much, my amazing people. I don't take your time for granted, and if this is your first time coming across this amazing YouTube channel, family, consider subscribing. I do just reaction videos whereby I analyze and even criticize sometimes. I don't take you guys for granted. Remember that we are here to be very respectful. We don't fight, and we want you to share your opinion on the videos that are brought on this YouTube platform. So I will appreciate if you will bring your opinions on what I'm going to share with you today. So this video today will clear up a situation. No, them are not Jamaicans. The recent discovery of two bodies in the wheel well of a JetBlue aircraft at Fort Lauderdale. Remember, people were rumoring that they were Jamaicans, which we already know it's not Jamaicans, but then I guess because people were speculating in the beginning that they were Jamaicans, so let us just follow up on it because it was all over on YouTube when it first came out. So now it were discovered, as me say, at Hollywood International Airport, and this has sparked significant concern and investigation by aviation security authorities, initially speculated to be Jamaican nationals. But the identities of the deceased have since been confirmed and revealing a tragic reality about stowaway incidents and airport security breaches. How did this happen? How did they get in there? And is it worth it to sacrifice your life just to get to a place like America? America not paved with gold, and America is a lot of times America is not the answer. It's like sometimes people stay on the outside and look in, but when them really come in, them realize it not worth it sometimes. So this happened 3 months ago or 4 months ago. This was around January 16th, and I remember the big excitement, but I'm not sure if Jamaicans would have really take that chance. They do many things, but I'm not sure if they would have really take that chance and try to stow away in a plane like that. So during a routine inspection following the plane's landing, these bodies were found in the landing gear compartment. Now, this segment of the airplane is notorious for its inhospitable condition, which include extreme cold and lack of oxygen at cruising altitude, which them probably didn't even know this. Maybe them dress up warm in several t-shirt and jacket and all them sort of something there, but that couldn't save them life. The Federal Aviation Administration classified this area as a high-risk zone for stowaway and underline the life-threatening danger we associated with such attempt. Now, JetBlue in their official statement confirmed the discovery and explained that investigations were ongoing to ascertain how the individuals accessed the aircraft. The airline did not initially confirm the identities of the deceased emphasizing the need for thorough examination by first responders and medical examiners when this thing first happened and when the news first came out. It was just a speculation. But Jamaican authorities quickly engaged a discussion with the U.S. counterparts to confirm that the nationality of the deceased. Jamaican Minister of Foreign Affairs at the time, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, initially speculated that the men might be Jamaicans, but later reports indicated that they were not from Jamaica because of how them look. Them could have just look at them and tell, so they don't really look like a Jamaican. And DNA tests ultimately identify them as, and then give them name, an 18-year-old, and they give you a name, and then a 16-year-old, and they both come from Dominican Republic. Can you imagine 18-year-old and 16-year-old just stupidly, because them brain not that fully developed, stupidly thinks that them can hide away in there and get to the United States. And this is a very sad situation. Now, this revelation helped to clear the air regarding the initial confusion about their nationalities and highlight the complexity of the situation. And I hope so now Jamaican nobody go try this or something. The precise circumstances surrounding how the two teenagers managed to hide in the aircraft remain under the investigation, raising serious questions about airport security protocol. Right now, they don't definitely say whether them get on the plane in the United States or them get on it somehow from the Dominican Republic. Maybe because you can see because of them age, them want to be adventurous, because at those age you know that boys sometimes want to be adventurous and they might try a thing, not even thinking because they cannot connect themselves with death, not thinking that them not going to make it to where they're going. Can you picture when them start freeze, when them get cold, when them start die, and them have no alternative? Them can't call us and stop the plane. Them can't say, pilot, stop the plane. You know, them just have to accept them fate right there. The tragic fate of the stowaways has resignated a national and international dialogue about airport security. Historically, data provided by one Inspector General Department of Transportation revealed that over 75% of similar stowaway attempts have resulted in fatalities, and these young people need to know, or whoever, no matter how desperate they are, they no must reach where them are go. So, them taking that chance, them taking a risk with them life, unless them want to commit whatever demise. And this incident is not singular. It highlights a worrying trend of stowaways risking their lives to escape dire circumstances, because sometimes some circumstance them can't deal with it, so them just decide, say, boy, may I take my chance, and whatever happen. The stark reality is that despite advancement in security, individuals often find ways to infiltrate secure zones. No matter what you do, you don't have to be just plain alone. Because even we're talking about, I'm going to flip-flop into something else, with all the drugs that passing through the Caribbean. And as I saw something where they say, it used to be like the pirates, them who used to be in the Caribbean. Now you don't have pirates of the Caribbean. No, it moved to a different thing. It moved to drugs passing through the Caribbean now. And them say, of course, of all the Caribbean countries, Jamaica is the worst. Now, the JetBlue incident underscored a severe breach of security that must prompt immediate reassessment of protocols at airports worldwide, and also at ports too, where the drugs are coming in and out. And as I say, I'm flip-flopping because that is a big issue also. Officials and aviation authorities must ensure that measures are in place not only to deter stowaway attempts, but to protect the individuals and to protect our ports and protect the individuals who may feel compelled to take such dangerous actions, whether by bringing drugs into the country or using the Jamaica as a port for drugs, or any country at all, whether drugs or whether stowaway. Now guys, the tragic discovery of the 2 young lives lost within the undercarriage of the JetBlue plane, it serves as a somber reminder of the lethal dangers associated with stowaway attempts. Even some of them will try to go on the boat. Sometimes the boat them capsize. Now in this situation, as the investigation continues, people have to be and must be beware that these things are not normal. It's not a normal way to run away from their situation, because it does not make sense. At the time it might make sense to whoever is doing it, but it really doesn't make no sense. It's either you get caught or you get killed. Anyway guys, if you like discussions like these, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel to bring you more videos like these, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and I will see you on the next video.